Hi friends, this video shows how to find all apps that use microphone. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, set microphone, and here you can see recently accessed by, that is MD. Select app access to microphone. Here you can see microphone permissions. Here you can see the allowed apps, speech recognition, Google Play games. If you go down, select show system apps, select it, and here you can see the list of system apps that use microphone. Google Play services, Google TV, and okay, so these are the system apps that use microphone. So this way we can find all apps that use microphone. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.